Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create these rainbow lines in the app IBIS Paint X. You don't need any brush for this. Instead, go to Filter, here select Draw, then select Concentric Gradation, and in the right side you will get the options. Go to the Gradation and select the Rainbow Steps Gradation. Now click here and go to the top. In the wavelength, reduce the wavelength measurement according to your requirement. As you go low, you will get something like this. It's up to you which type of rainbow colors, rainbow lines you want. So I'm going to keep it like this. So okay, now click on the plus and drag it to the one corner to get such a rainbow lines, like a curvy lines, and change the face as you wish. Changing the face is like what color you want at the first topmost right corner. So it's up to you. So here every setting is okay. Now click tick and here you go. Beautiful, colorful rainbow lines are ready. Thank you for watching. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. More such tutorials are on the way. And check out my playlist for all the tutorials that you need. Thank you for watching.